Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Today's topic now about all those our girls will be say that they always the one spend for men. They always they feel say if you they give man money, now man go love you. They always they get that mindset say if you dey spend for man, na man go love you. My dear, not be man say they love person, no. Even though you spend heaven and earth for them. If you not go love you, he not go love you. You understand? If you not go love you, not go love you. You go even get person where in just the love for corner. Then you go there just the fool yourself. They say love matter. My dear, if you not go love you, not go love you. So maybe they use our HQ. Maybe they use our sense. So now understand. Maybe they use our brain, no. Because sometimes there are some kind things where they happen. Sometimes the thing go they surprise me, like the way some people say they behave. You understand? Okay, see this girl now. You say come this if they spend for mind, they spend all your life, they spend money. If you say the guy go love him, but at the end, okay, you come find out say no love. No love. Now see they say platform for see watch them too, because sometimes we need to bring all those things out, because not everybody they watch Yori One of Paris. So now go they see what they apple for the whole world. When I go they see many things where they apple, when I go shop tala, say this kind of girls they see this world. You just they spend for man. They spend for man. The man not get one single love for you. If they did there, they fool you. If you say not love, you don't know say one single love not even there. One single what that they call love, you know they. You go there, they deceive you there. It says something the guy even come. No, some guys shy. They sabi really do this shit true way, sha. They sabi really do one. Let's see what okay, no, this party. And this will be the first one that's supposed to be. He said the cream where the guy they use. Now she now has for the send and come now she they pay the money. Now come send and come. If the guy want buy bear now she. Anything where the boy want do now she. My people, mona help me ask this girl if this girl they okay. Organic cream. Now black boy they use organic cream, like seriously. And now France, this thing for the apple so. It be like say that France women, some of them, be like say they swear for them. Say me that they spend for me. Because I don't always hear say Shintro, and then as soon as they spend money for me, wait for them. I don't understand. So now France can't even worse past Italy now. Wow, not to when Musa not go see forget to. Okay. Okay. Now Zara, not the guy for the back clothes, Zara. You know they use the money, oh, the girl money too. Is there still they see this guy Mugu for Europe? Hey, hey. The lowest shoe where the black boy they wear now 80 euro. The lowest shoe we can ship pass now 80 euro. This girl now, a brother will call her for Nigeria now saying need money. Go say he not get. He not get. They not go give you brother. Because he wants spend for black boy. Because of John Thomas. That's what they use organic cream. He come back. He said the guy no one walk. He go tell him say, "May you see go walk." The guy go back. They say, "No worry, I will walk. I go walk." Central boy will come walk. He said one day now she gonna come up for us. As she come up for us, the boy gonna tie some more. No, no say more now. He come back the time small for nylon. Like who want go do like who want go they do state street like all some boys will be say that they go they do all those Maggie level. He said so she the boy come back the tie some more like say na Mugu. The boy they feel say na Mugu na she be. Wanna listen my people. So now level what they do now. My sister, my people, I play with you. I see whether not the other one with this one.
My pocket money.
He said go just. He said he not they give the boy money, but the boy go just open his wallet, take money as he like. Millionaire. So this kind of move go see the European. Now many boys never go finances. Now wow for some girls so. The boy they go he post, go collect money, no he code, take money as he like. Oh. They suppose this girl second name supposed to be Malamugu. Malamugu. That be supposed to be her second name. Where they spend for mine anyway. Una the year matter. She not know say the boy where they spend for get wife and children for Nigeria. And the boy go talk to his wife, finish for phone. He don't already bribe his wife. Say, may you pretend like my sister. This is girl on our pay, our Mugu. So, if he talk to his wife, finish, you can't give the girl phone. Say, my sister won't greet you. Now the year. If you talk to his wife, finish, you go tell the girl, say, come greet my senior sister. My senior sister won't greet you. My people, oh, not when Musa no go see forget. Oh, now the year matter. Now the year matter. After she go don talk to the boy go talk to a woman finish, you can't give her phone say my sister wan greet you, whereas na a wife with 3 children. My people, one of they use na HQ. Everybody go say use your HQ. Now the year matter. Una the year matter. I say not to where Musa no go say forget. Not to say I did lie. Not to where Musa no go say forget. Oh, Musa does see many things they don't tire. Hey, this one a lesson. Oh, our guests here beg. No, they spend for money. You not be mad till they love person. No, they spend for man. No, they spend. Let man spend for you. You gonna spend for man. No bam like that. That man not go love you. Men when me don't see, you know, they lead to anywhere. They go even get girl where they spend the money for. You go there, they form go for them. So now this little harvest, I say, I can't give our girls there. Wanna use this girl who take get since I beg. Wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Anything you think about this video, leave your comment for the comment section. If you good, make woman they spend money for man, or you not good, leave your comments. Thank you and bye. And share the video. Always put thumbs up for me anytime you watch my video. If you have not subscribed, go and smash the notification bell and share the video for me. God bless all my subscribers. God bless you both for me. Thank you and bye.